If you're looking to manage your blood sugar and improve your overall health, intermittent fasting could be a powerful tool. Today we're diving into 5 intermittent fasting tips to help you lower your blood sugar. I'm Dr. Morgan Nolte, founder of Zivli. We help you prevent and reverse type 2 diabetes through sustainable lifestyle changes. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that more people can see it. The first tip is to start with a manageable fasting window like 12 to 14 hours. For many people, this is achievable by simply skipping late night snacks and eating breakfast a little bit later. Research shows that intermittent fasting, even with shorter windows like 12 to 14 hours, can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels. If you're new to intermittent fasting, don't feel the need to jump into a longer 16 or 18-hour fast right away. Starting with 12 hours allows your body and mind to gradually adjust. Tip number 2 is to prioritize whole foods during your eating window. Intermittent fasting isn't just about when you eat, it's also about what you eat. During your eating window, focus on nutrient-dense whole foods like non-starchy vegetables, low-sugar fruits, proteins, and healthy fats. These types of foods stabilize blood sugar and prevent spikes after meals. You can download our free Ultimate Food Guide in the description of this video to learn more about macronutrients and get tables of foods that help keep your blood sugar levels low. Avoid processed foods and refined carbs, which can cause rapid blood sugar increases, undoing the benefits of fasting. Next up, stay hydrated. Drinking water is crucial while fasting, especially since dehydration can sometimes feel like hunger and make fasting more difficult. But more than that, staying hydrated can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. We suggest using unflavored electrolytes during your fasting window. Electrolytes are simply minerals that we typically get from food that help our body's processes run smoothly. But if you're fasting and not eating, you won't be getting those minerals unless you supplement. The main electrolytes in the body are calcium, chloride, magnesium, phosphate, potassium, sodium, and bicarbonate. Some common side effects of electrolyte deficiency are fatigue, muscle cramps, heart rhythm changes, thirst, and weakness, among others. So do not neglect your electrolyte supplementation, especially during fasting. That being said, you can mix up your beverages while you're fasting for more variety. Some of my favorites are coffee, tea, bone broth, and naturally flavored sparkling waters. You do not have to be a strict fasting purist to reap some of the blood sugar lowering benefits of fasting. Tip number 4 is to time your exercise to maximize the benefits. Timing your exercise can amplify the blood sugar lowering effects of intermittent fasting. A great strategy is to exercise toward the end of your fasting window or just before you break your fast. This helps increase insulin sensitivity and burn more stored glycogen, which can reduce blood sugar levels even more. Plus, working out on an empty stomach can help your body tap into fat stores for energy, which is another bonus for managing blood sugar and weight. Now, if you're not used to exercising while fasted, be sure to use electrolytes in your water during your workout and try lower intensity things like walking or stretching before you jump into higher intensity activities while fasted. If you are going to lift or do high intensity interval training fasted, we recommend doing that towards the end of your fast so that you can refuel right away with a high protein meal or a protein shake after your workout. That will help your muscles repair and reduce muscle soreness compared to if you were to continue to fast after those types of workouts. Lastly, tip number 5 is to be consistent but also flexible. While intermittent fasting can significantly lower blood sugar, it's important to maintain a routine for it to be most effective. Try to stick to a fasting schedule most days of the week to see lasting improvements in blood sugar levels. That said, listen to your body. Some days you might need to adjust your fasting window, and that is okay. Flexibility allows you to maintain this lifestyle long-term without feeling restricted. I especially like to modify my fasting schedule over the holidays, when overeating is common at a big family meal. If I overdo it one day, I like to extend my fasting window a little the next day to compensate and allow that extra food more time to be digested. I don't like to make a habit out of doing this, but it is a nice tool in my toolbox to avoid holiday weight gain. So there you have it, 5 intermittent fasting tips to help you lower your blood sugar. Start with a manageable fasting window, focus on whole foods, stay hydrated and use electrolytes, time your exercise right, and remember to stay consistent but flexible. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool, But like any lifestyle change, it's important to find what works best for you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.